Hi guys, welcome to my video, and in this video I'll be showing us the part of the flow for the vending machine prototype that I did a while back. Let's get right into it. So this is my design. For me to make that interaction possible, I'll copy this particular design into 3 places. I'll make 3 copies of it. So 1, 2, 3. Then I will edit each of the screen. So I'll bring this one down. So I'll bring this one down. Then I'll make this one bigger. So I'll do the same thing for the rest of the screen, the 2 screen. And here I'm done editing the 3 screens. It's time for prototype to show how I achieved the interaction in my previous video. Let me turn off the layout grid. The next thing for me to do now is to come to this prototype and connect the 4 screen together. I'll click on the first card here, and click on the add and to connect to the next screen. Instead of on click, I'll set it to on drag. It will be Smart Animate, ease out, and 300 microseconds. Then the next one. So I'll do the same thing for the remaining screens.
Here I'll be adding another interaction to move to the previous card.
I think I'm done. The next thing for me to do now is to add the flow starting point. So I'll come to the right panel and click on the plus icon here. So after selecting this screen, so it will be starting from here. This is where I want my flow to start from. So I can actually rename it and give it a name, any name that I want. But I won't be renaming this one for the sake of this tutorial. Let me start my flow here. Let me drag. And now it's working fine. So on tap, this is nice. And this is how I actually achieved the interaction in my previous video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, comment, and share. And I'll be dropping the link to this Figma file in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.